Okay, why good Feng Shui still fails without human alignment? Interesting to explore? Well, let me say something that might challenge your assumption. You see, good Feng Shui doesn't guarantee good results. Wow. In fact, in period 9, good Feng Shui without human alignment can make things worse. It's not because Feng Shui failed, but because it worked too accurately. Again, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever done everything right environmentally, yet still felt stuck, resistant, or unmotivated? Well, have you also noticed that some people thrive in average environments while others struggle in perfect setups? Again, that's not coincidence. Yes, it's not coincidence. Yes, you heard it. That's called human factor. So let me explain why I'm doing this video. Because I feel that Feng Shui gets blamed unfairly. People say, it didn't work for me. Maybe Feng Shui is not real. I must have activated wrongly. Well, let me be very clear here. Feng Shui is earth luck. It is 1/3 of the equation. When heaven and human are misaligned, earth cannot compensate. So no system outperforms the people running it. And period 9 exposes the truth fast. Okay, so I would like you, of course, to stay to the end of this video and let me offer you or try to convince you why you should do it. Well, reason number 1, period 9 amplifies human inconsistently. Fire doesn't just amplify environment, it amplifies behavior. So you see, if your action contradict your intentions, fire makes the contradiction obvious. And reason number 2, Feng Shui doesn't override avoidance. And that's uncomfortable, but yes, it's necessary. You cannot avoid decisions and expect Feng Shui to move you forward. Period 9 punishes avoidance harshly. And perhaps reason number 3, many people outsource responsibility to the environment. You see, people don't say this out loud, but it happens. They hope Feng Shui will do the following: give me the motivation, fix my discipline, and replace courage. Well, you know what? It doesn't. It reveals what's missing. Alright? So a little bit of my announcement here. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button to support me and click the bell so that you'll be notified of any upcoming videos that I'm putting up on this channel. And again, share this video with your friends as what you are doing here, watching my message or listening to my message. Alright, so for that, thanks very much. Okay, so let me dive into the lessons for this video. There are 3 lessons. How many? Yes, there are 3 lessons. Lesson number 1, Feng Shui amplifies behavior, not desire. And that's foundational. You see, Feng Shui doesn't give you what you want. It amplifies what you do consistently. And earth luck supports momentum. It doesn't create it. So how does this play out in period 9, you may ask? Good question. Fire energy accelerates feedback. So if you procrastinate, you feel pressure faster. If you avoid confrontation, tension escalates. And if you delay decisions, opportunities evaporate. And that's not punishment. That's what we call precision. So some people may feel they are blocked. But what actually happened is this: their behavior no longer matches the environment. Make sense? Great. Let's move on to lesson number 2. The human element is the weakest link. But let me emphasize this relentlessly in this video. People don't fail because of lack of tools. They fail because inconsistency, self-doubt, and emotional avoidance. And period 9 exposes these patterns. From a Feng Shui perspective here, when your environment supports decisiveness, but you hesitate, what will happen? Well, discomfort increases, not decreases. Yes, you heard it. And that's why some people feel anxious even in good Feng Shui. The space is calling them forward, but they are resisting. So let me make a very important clarification here. This doesn't mean you are wrong. It means alignment is incomplete. Fire doesn't tolerate half alignment. We have talked about this in the previous videos. Lesson number 3, period 9 punishes delegated responsibility. And that's the harshest lesson in this video. You cannot delegate responsibility to Feng Shui. You can't say, once my space is fixed, I will act. It's not like that. Period 9 reverses that logic. So act congruently first. Then the environment supports you. Okay? So let me give you this very simple summary. Heaven gives timing. Earth gives support. and human gives direction. So if human hesitates, Earth reflects that hesitation. So if you're a leader, you should understand this. Leadership starts with internal permission. If you haven't granted yourself that permission, no environment feel empowering. All right? So these are the 3 key lessons in this video, and let me reframe this clearly for all of you, okay? So if Feng Shui feels like it's not working, guess what? It's probably working too honestly. It's showing you where you are inconsistent. It shows you where you are avoiding and where you are not aligned internally. That's not the failure, my friends. That's the feedback. Here is the part most people avoid. Some people will keep adjusting environments to avoid adjusting behavior, but period 9 doesn't allow that long. Eventually, the discomfort becomes loud enough that a choice must be made. So let me ask you this question. You may want to write this down. What action does my environment seem to be asking of me that I keep postponing? I'll repeat one more time. What action does my environment seem to be asking of me that I keep postponing? And that answer explains everything, okay? So I hope you find this video useful, and if this video actually challenged you in a good way, you see the deeper conversations continue inside the Destiny Architect Telegram chat. And that's where we talk about human alignment before environment, responsibility before activation, and leadership without outsourcing power. Because period 9 doesn't reward perfect setups, but it rewards aligned humans. Okay, I'm going to put the link below in the comment section so that you can join the Telegram chat. And once again, thank you for watching this video. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button first and share this video with your friends. And finally, make sure you click the bell so that you'll be notified of any upcoming videos I post in my channel. Okay? So thanks very much for watching. I appreciate your support. I'm going to see you in my next video. And